Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Yamaha has unveiled its newest concept motorcycle, the M200 Lambda, which represents a significant advancement in the brand's exploration of the relationship between man and machine, following the original self-balancing M200 2017, and the interactive M200 2 2023. The M200 Lambda, a key attraction at the Japan Mobility Show in Tokyo, features a revolutionary, articulating chassis capable of twisting and performing previously impossible maneuvers thanks to integrated artificial intelligence, AI. Yamaha describes this capability as generating organic and optimized movements through the bike's self-learning AI. Key features include a lightweight, high-strength exoskeleton designed to support the extensive trial-and-error learning process of the AI. An unconventional architecture with movable arms that function as supports for elevating or tilting the motorcycle. Electric motors placed directly in the wheel hubs, which enhances balance and ensures greater precision in power transmission and a nearly immediate braking response. This concept aims to redefine driver interaction and motorcycle dynamics through advanced AI and mechanical articulation. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.